The verb aller indicates the destination. So whenever you want to say I go to the university or we are going to the office, so always remember in French the present tense conjugation and present continuous are same. Aller means to go, I am going. Je vais à l'université, I am going to the university, I go to the university. Both the tense are uh, same in French. Remember that. So je vais à l'university, I go to the university. Nous allons au bureau. We go to the office. The students go to the camp. So this verb indicates the destination of something. Always remember, aller is completely irregular. There is no change in that. Okay, so you need to memorize the verb. So if at all you need to write down the verb. So copy the verb which is going to be displayed uh, in the screen. So one. The second verb, the verb venir. Venir means we have already seen. What is the conjugation of venir or the meaning of venir?
To come.
Yeah, venir means to come. So do you know the conjugation of the venir? Does anybody? Yes or no?
Sir, I don't know
Does
the
any
pronunciation.
just try? Okay, so pronunciation does not come just like that. So you can just give a try.
Je viens, tu
Yes.
viens, il vient, elle vient, nous viens, vous venez, ils
Okay.
venaient, elles venaient.
Uh, okay. So the pronunciation is je viens, tu
Okay.
viens. No, you can. What you told is correct. So, but only one thing you missed is the pronunciation. It remains same for the entire conjugation. So, viens, whatever you start, it remains the same, except for no and vous. So, we'll see the verb here. Aller means to go. Venir means to come. Both are irregular verbs. So, I didn't say this word right. Provenance means destination. The place where you're going to, your origin, sorry. Provenance means origin. Where are you coming from? So ale destination, venir talks about the origin. So ale, you can write down the pronunciation. Je vais, vais. What is the meaning or the translation of je vais bien? So you would have come across this sentence in the exam as well as in the first class.
I am
So if I
fine.
ask you, sorry,
I am fine.
I am fine. Yes. So here, aller means to go. The literal translation of je vais bien means I am going well. So that will be the literal translation. So whenever someone is asking, "Comment allez-vous?" How are you going? So it has two meanings. Okay. So it can be asked for your based on your health to know about you or know about the location, the destination where you are going. So the pronunciation will be je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont, ils vont, elles vont. So this will be the conjugation. Please note down the second verb venir, which I already taught you previous classes. Uh, je viens, tu viens, il vient, nous venons, Vous venez, il vient, elle vient. So these two verbs are major verbs to talk about the destination and the origin. Make note of it. This will be asked in the conjugation of verbs as well as in the sentence framing. The next topic which we are going to see is membre de la famille. So by this, looking at these, you would have understood the basic description of members of the family. Les membres de la famille. Members of the family. So there is a list of members which are given here. On the pronunciation as well as along with the article. So article is very important when you learn about the family members name. First one, la famille. La famille. Famille means family. La famille. Famille means family. First one, le père. Le père. Père means father. Le père. Second one, la mère. La mère, mother. Le frère, brother. Le frère, brother. La sœur. La sœur, sister. Le grand-père, grand-père, grandfather. So look into the spelling, okay? So GRAND, masculine. So and this is common word. Grand is common for both masculine and feminine in this context, not exactly for the everything. So same here, the article PERE. So it's used for LE. So I told you. So based on the endings, you can find the gender of the noun. There are exceptions, particularly when you talk about the family members. The but it is masculine gender, so you are using LE. And same way, frère, FRERE. Frère means brother. Again, masculine gender, LE. Sister, sir, SOEUR. Sir means sister. So based on the meaning, we are classifying the gender here using the article. The next word, la grand-mère, grandmother. La tante, aunt. La tante, aunt. L'oncle, uncle. L'oncle, uncle. La cousin, le cousin. Both gives the same pronunciation, cousin, masculine and feminine. So these are the basic family relations. So you just learn these. It will be asked in the exercises too. So the following exercises we will be doing, uh, which you are going to do it on your own. So the next one, you are clear with these ale verb and venir and the family members. Yes.
So, can you show the
No.
alley work slide once more?
Sir,
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
what is the pronunciation of aunt?
Taunt. La. Taunt.
Sir, how do I pronounce cousin, sir?
Cousin. Cousin. Okay.
But cousin, while pronouncing cousin or a title cousin, usually is Nini or Indian. It depends on the gender. Okay, if you have a feminine cousin, cousin who is a girl, you have to use cousin, la cousin. Okay, la cousin. So masculine and feminine based on whom you are referring to. You can't use both. So when you read a passage or a context, you will understand. Okay. Fine. The next topic, I believe everybody is clear with these genders and verb as well as mommy. If you have any queries, you can ask me now. Otherwise, the next topic is very important. Adjectives. So which we are going to look with. I want if you have any doubts, the classes or whatever completed so far, you can ask me. Somebody's talking. Very low voice. Low. Yes. Sa. Same. CCOU is pronounced as Sutu. SIN. Sa. Susa. Fine. So the next let's see. Agreement of adjectives. French. So this I will share it with you. But anyway, I want you guys to look into it. If needed, you can make out of it the pronunciations, how it is done. Normally, or in general, the adjectives are placed or positioned after the noun. In French, in general, the adjectives are placed, always placed after the noun. Okay. Example. Un film français. French movie. Un film français. Une robe rouge. Red dress. Une table ronde. Round table. So always the adjectives are placed after the noun. That is rule number 1. Certain adjectives, there are exceptions to certain adjectives. Color and nationalities, okay, and the geometric forms, okay. So are placed after the noun. You can make out of it. After the noun are based on the nationality, color, or the form geometric. So these things should be coming after the noun. That is rule number 1. Certain adjectives are placed before the noun. It can be used many times. Oftenly. Okay, so we are going to see those things. So first one, caracteriser quelqu'un. To characterize someone. So when you want to say someone is handsome, he is beautiful, he is happy, he is sad, he is shy, she is intelligent. So those type of adjectives are used to characterize someone. Someone means anyone. So the question will be homo et il or homo et el. So what is the translation of homo et il?
Yes, how is he or how is she? So these are the characteristics. So you can write down the meaning as well as the pronunciation. First one, content. Content means happy. Content, happy. And it is a feminine form. For the content will be, you need to add an e. Second word, sampa. Sampa. Sampa means kind, nice. So Ille Sampa, he is nice. He is very kind, like that. Adorable, 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 romantic, romantic, same romantic, triste, sad, triste, sad, timid, same timid, shy, timid, gentil, gentil, gentle, kind. So here the feminine form should be with ending with le. So whatever is given in bracket, it means when you write or referring to a character for a feminine gender, it should end with a feminine. So for example, la gentil, entille for feminine form. Gentle, kind, nice, any meaning based on the context. So here méchant. So already it ends with an e. In adjectives I'm referring, already it is ending with an e. It goes for the masculine, and when you want to write in feminine the same word, you need to add an additional e for the feminine. In adjective, most of the cases, the words ending with an e remains same, but certain words you need to add one more e to refer or to provide for the feminine gender. Mesho means normally referring to a bad guy who is not at all listening or somewhat very bad guy. Okay, Meshon means bad guy. As normally the meaning is completely different if you search in the dictionary. I'm just giving you the nicest word to say Meshon. Lay, lay, laid, lay, laid. Ugly, lay, laid, ugly. Intelligent, 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 intelligent. bizarre, bizarre, strange, bizarre, strange. Droll, droll. These are common words for both masculine and feminine. Droll, funny, funny, bavard, 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 talkative, chat box. Okay, so these are the adjectives you need to learn. Both the genders, masculine as well as in feminine. The feminine form will be you need to add an e. Remember that. Now, the second column, il a, l a, he is or she is. So referring to the characteristics. First one, il est beau. Il est beau. He is handsome. Elle est belle. She is beautiful. Handsome, beautiful. Mignon. Mignon means it can be naughty or cute. Cute, naughty. Heureux, heureux, heureuse, masculine, feminine. Happy, doux, douce, doux, douce, soft, sportif, sportive, sportif, sportive, sportive, sportsman also the same word. Okay, when you want to say he is a sportsman, so the word remains same as well. The characteristics as well as the profession also the word remains same. So if you find these last class we have seen the endings. Okay, if it ends with eau, the ending is elle. If it ends with on, you need to double the consonant and add an e. If it ends with eux, feminine form will be euse. So these things you should remember because not the exact word will be asked, the same type of words will be there. So you need to know how to convert from masculine to feminine. The first column is very simple. You just add an e or le based on the gender. But this column, characteristic, you need to learn how to change from masculine to feminine. There is one exercise which we'll do it now. Please remember those things, okay? And vanita, vanitas, vain, sorrowful. Vanita means vain. Impulsive, same, impulsive, 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 discreet, discreet, discreet. Okay, so what do you mean by discreet? Unassuming, the equivalent translation. Curious, 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 curious. So that this is not number 7. it's a slash. Okay, when you're writing, don't put number 7. Jaloux, jalouse, jealous, jaloux, jalouse, jealous, gourmand, gourmand, greedy, greedy, paresseux, paresseux, paresses, lazy, lazy. So you guys are clear with this pronunciation? The pronunciation as well as yes. Sorry, come again.
The third one, sir, in the second column.
Heureux,
Okay, sir.
happy, joyful.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So actually, there are two types of happy: is contain and aurochs. So why is it so?
So normally, suppose you want to say I am happy, je suis content. Okay. So referring to a person, je suis content. Suppose you want to say he is very much happy, joyful. Okay. So to greet someone or to tell something like that. So joyful, happy birthday, like that. To greet someone. To referring to a third person, mostly heureux will be used. So we won't say il est content is also there is no much difference. There is a slight difference. Okay, he is always happy. Il est heureux. Toujours heureux. Both are same only. There is no much difference. Based on the context, it can be used.
Okay, sir.
So, what is the meaning of Vanita?
So, vanita means vain, sorrowful.
Okay, sir.
Some guys will be always dull, sorrow, as if he lost everything. So those type of description vanita.
Okay, sir.
So if you see VANITEUX, HEUREUX. So this refers both singular and plural. Suppose you want to say they are happy or they are lazy. IL. What is the plural form of conjugation? AR.
ILS.
Sorry,
ILS.
ILS and the verb
Oh.
so, not on. Ils sont paresseux. So PARESSEUX. So paresseux, words ending with EUX, vanita, paresseux, curieux, jaloux, all these are singular as well as plural. Both are there. So you make note that also. So now the second part, décrire physiquement quelqu'un, to describe physically someone, whether he is tall, short, dark, those can be seen now. So have you seen the colors? Have you learned colors? So you can see the colors. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, fine. There are 4 columns. referring to the color. The first column is masculine. The second column is feminine. The third one is masculine plural. Fourth one is feminine plural. So you need to learn this, okay? The last two rows, orange and maroon, both colors remain same for entire thing. Masculine, masculine plural, feminine plural. All the four genders and the numbers is same for these two colors. You should not add an S for masculine plural or feminine plural. First one, I'll give you the pronunciation. Le cooler. Le cooler. Colors. Jaune. It remains same for everything. Jaune. Jaune. Yellow. Rose. Rose. Pink. Rouge. Red. Bleu. Blue. Okay, the first three colors are common for both masculine and feminine. Jaune, jaune. The spelling is also same. Rose, rose. Rouge, rouge. But for blue, bleu, the pronunciation is same, but the spelling you need to add an e for the feminine form. Bleu, bleu. The pronunciation is same, but you need to add e for the feminine form. Next one, vert, vert. Where vert, the pronunciation also changes for green color. You need to add an e. Where vert. Gris, grease. Gris, grease. Gray. Noir, feminine, you need to add an e. Noir. Voile, voilette. Voile, voilette. Blanc, blanche. Blanc, blanche. Blanc, blanche. So now you can see this. Décrire physiquement quelqu'un. To describe physically someone. Again, il est, elle est, all these are same for the first person also. So you can write down the meaning as well as the pronunciation. Grand, grand, grande. Grand, grande. Petit, petite. Petit, petite. Small. Grand means big. Grand, big. Petit, small or short. Some context it can be translated as short. Grow, gross. Grow, gross. Fat, maigre, maigre. Thin, thin. Four, fourth. Four, fourth. Strong, strong. Mans, mans, slim, slim, robust, same as in English, robust. Okay. Robust, okay, these are the whenever you want to say he is big, he is tall. So il est grand. Grand means normally referring to big. It can be translated as tall also. Okay, tall. Petit, small, normally referring small. Some context it can be short. Gros, gross, fat, maigre, thin. Normally, if you want to say skinny, skinny people, very thin. So maigre. 4, strong. Man's slim. And robust, robust. So these are the descriptions. Okay. And same thing below. First one, jeune, 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 vieux, viel, âgé. So these three words. What is the color? Yellow spelled as. How do you spell yellow color? Just now we have seen.
June.
Okay, how do you pronounce that?
Jaune.
Jaune. Okay, jaune means yellow. Jeune means young. You find the pronunciation. There is only one letter, one alphabet is changed. Jaune, jaune, yellow. Jeune, young. Suppose you want to say he is young or she is young. Il est. Instead, if you pronounce as il est jaune, he is yellow or she is yellow. You understand? One letter, the entire meaning changes. Vieux, VL. Vieux, vieux. Old, old. And the third one, âgé, âgé with an E, feminine form. Âgé, aged. Âgé, aged. Fine. The second column, now referring to the color of the hair color. Yeah. So this one, which I'm pointing out with the mouse. Il a des cheveux. Il a des cheveux. He has. Cheveux means hair. And the colors are given here. Brun, brown, blond, blonde, châtain, châtain, light brown, roux, red, green, gray, blanc, white. Okay, so whenever you refer to someone's hair color, everything should be in plural because cheveux is plural. It can't be singular, and this one is common. There is no feminine form, so you can write in common form. Elle a des cheveux bruns. Don't add es. Okay, brun remains same because of the cheveux. Cheveux is hair, so the color goes with the cheveux. So il, el, the colors are common for both the genders, masculine and feminine, and it should be written in plural form. It should end with S. UX is red. Normally, this color is used only to refer the hair color, not for the other thing. Suppose you want to say E wears red shirt, you can't use ru. Il porte une chemise rouge. It's not ru. Did you guys get it? So ROUX is only for the hair color. Okay, the next last two words, long cour. Long means long, cour means short. Long, cour, long and short. And the last row and column, il a des yeux, YEUX. Year means eyes. Il a des yeux, eyes, bleu, blue, maroon, vert, gris, noir. Again, this is also common, so you can just write down this. Il a des yeux bleu, blue, marron, gris, and noir. So you guys are clear with this? Yes? No?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So now I will give you one small exercise. Based on that, you can try to do it. The first one alone, okay? Il est beau et sympathique. So what you're going to do is transform these sentences into feminine. So I will call for the attendance. So you can just do the exercise. I will continue with the attendance. It's Rogan Rajesh. Is he here? Rogan Rajesh. Not here. Naveen Kumar. Naveen Raj. Sorry. Naveen Raj. Not here. Fine. Number 39.
Present, sir.
Number 52.
52 present, sir.
57. Okay. Absent. 64.
57 present, sir.
Sorry. 57.
Yes, sir.
Darunya.
Oh, sir, Mahalakshmi, sir.
No. It's Darunya. Okay. Okay. Number 64. Nitish.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Bhargavi.
Present, sir.
Makisha. Srinidhi.
Present, sir.
Present, sir.
Shreyas.
Present, sir.
Manu. Vidushi.
Present, sir. Sir, Abhimanyu has written in the chat box.
Okay. Thank you. Kumar.
Present, sir.
Okay. Ashita.
Present, sir.
Apnashri.
Present, sir.
Okay. Madhuvan.
Present, sir.
Abhishri.
Present, sir.
Mahalakshmi.
Present, sir.
Ramya.
Present, sir.
Rogan.
Sir, Rohan Kumar present.
Okay, Lashmi Mohan. Shaurya Prasad. Gautam.
Present, sir.
Udan. Aditya Mishra. Okay. Krishna Pradeep.
Yes, sir. Present.
Yogeshwaran.
Present, sir.
Sarthak Chaugan.
Present, sir. Sir,
Mark
roll number 1, Shaurya Prasad and Ujjan Som both are present.
Ujan and Shaurya Prasad.
Yes, sir.
So where are they?
Sir, network issues, I guess. Ujjan has written in the chat box.
Okay. So Sohit.
Present, sir.
Kritika.
Present, sir.
Pranav.
Present, sir.
Okay. Ari Prakash.
Yes, sir.
Aditya. Segu Aditya. Anish.
Present, sir.
Nagi Seti Pramod.
Present, sir.
Vishal Raj.
Present, sir.
Aditi.
Present, sir.
Bala Ramesh.
Present, sir.
Avinash. Avinash V. Absent. Navin Raj.
Sir, 01 present, sir. Shaurya.
Okay. Mritula.
Sir, Navin Raj present, sir.
Present, sir.
Called your name before. Where were you?
Sir, network problem, sir.
You didn't write your CT1 also, right? Apurva Shah.
Present, sir.
Arya Aditi.
Present, sir.
Okay. Ibia Nayak.
Present, sir.
Fine. Leela Radhakrishnan.
Present, sir.
Bhavya Sharma. Bhavya. Kavi Priya.
Present, sir.
Gautami.
Present, sir.
Pavitra.
Present, sir.
Akitya.
Present, sir.
Radhika.
Present, sir.
Nandana. Nambi. Nandana Nambi. Absent. Ushank.
Present, sir.
Arsha. Ash. Ja. Sushmita.
Present, sir.
Indrakshi.
Present, sir.
Priya.
Present, sir.
Okay. Rasun.
Present, sir.
Prabodhit.
Sir, present.
Umesh Chandra.
Present, sir.
Avnish.
Present, sir.
Madhi Tarun.
Present, sir.
Rogan Rajesh. Shankar Tarun.
Present, sir.
Fine. So I think you guys are clear with the text which we have seen today. So till you have any doubts, you can just contact me. Ask me for the explanation.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
Sir, you missed my name, Umang Kumar. Roll number
I called you.
47.
Yeah, Umang, I called you. I think number one and you were some network issue. They told me. I marked you present. Okay.
Sir, that was Ojan, sir.
No, someone told their names. Okay.
Yes, sir, that was Ojan and Shaurya. This is Umang, sir.
Well, maybe I missed the name. Number 47.
Yes, sir.
Okay, present. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Anyway, thank you. You guys completed this exercise?
Sir, Nandana is present, sir.
Yes,
I
sir.
had to get out and get in the meeting again. I just came in right now again.
Okay.
I'm roll number 25, sir.
25 years.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. So you guys understood? Have you completed this 10 questions?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Who was telling that? Yes. Who completed? Who else completed? Only one yes I got. The two from who was that?
So 89.
Okay, Shreya. Okay, we will discuss these answers in the next class. Okay, so try to complete the exercise. I will just post these adjectives. Okay, Lakor, the adjective, and the two things. Okay, in the group, you can make use of those reference for completing this exercise. Try to complete exercise number 1 and 2. We will discuss the rest in the next class. Okay. Hope is it very clear now? Yes. Now, yes. Thank you, and you can just leave the class now.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. If some, yeah, welcome.
Mercy, Monsieur.
Thank you, sir.
Let's see. Those who get
Thank
the
you.
class recording, you can just share it in the GCR for others to have a look.
Miss C.
Mercy.
Sir.
Yeah.
I'm